If you are not a spinach lover, eat honey. It has similar levels of heart-healthy antioxidants. One powerful antioxidant called pinosembrin is only found in honey and propolis. For years, opera singers have used honey to boost their energy and soothe their throats before performances. Honey has the ability to attract and absorb moisture, which makes it remarkably soothing for minor burns and helps to prevent scarring. Honey speeds the healing of open wounds and also combats infection. Honey and beeswax form the basics of men's skin creams, lipsticks, and hand lotions. Queen Anne of England, in the early 1700s, invented a honey and olive oil preparation to keep her hair healthy and lustrous. Beeswax is made from tiny glands on the worker bees. The males, drones, are not able to sting, but if you are stung it will probably be by a worker. Queen honeybees can sting, but they remain close to the hive. Male honeybees sting from a honeybee queen would be very rare. No father, but they do have a grandfather. If the queen honeybee is removed from the hive, within 15 minutes, the rest of the colony knows about it. Beekeepers have devised various means to estimate the number of bees in a hive. In any case, typical active honeybee colony may have around 50,000 workers, but could have between 20,000 and 60,000 workers. The queen honeybee is larger than the bees in the colony. It is about twice the length of a worker. The antennae on honeybees are very sensitive and important for tasting things. The tips of the antennae have more than 300 taste sensors. Honeybees belong to the insect order Hymenoptera, which they share with other bees, wasps, ants and sawflies. Scent is important for bees. A study has found that bees are better at learning new odors, smells, in the morning. Honeybees eat nectar and pollen, but there are times when food is scarce, and they may eat insect secretions. They are also known to eat a little fruit, such as plums and grapes. The waggle dance or honeybee dance enables worker honeybees to inform her sisters about great locations of food and water, or a new home, like other bees. Honeybees cannot see the color red. However, they may visit red flowers because they are able to see the UV patterns in the flowers. As with other types of bees, honeybees have 5 eyes, 3 simple eyes on top of its head, and 2 compound eyes. With numerous hexagonal facets. Ever wondered whether honeybees poop? Yes, they do. Honeybee activity is dependent on temperature, rather than the seasons, as is the case with other bee species. The honeybee's brain is about the size of a tiny grain of sugar, but researchers have found that it is surprisingly sophisticated. Specifically, honeybees can understand conceptual relationships such as same, different and above, below that rely on relationships between objects, rather than simply the physical features of objects. Scientists have discovered that honeybees are able to vote when making decisions about where the colony should create a new nest site. Female scout bees fly out to look for potential sites and report back to the colony, using the famous waggle dance to inform the rest of the colony about the location of the nest, and the better the potential site, the more enthusiastically the scout bee dances. If other worker bees like the potential nest site, they begin imitating the dance, until eventually a critical mass has been achieved, with enough worker bees in agreement about the new nest site such that a decision is made. Bee populations in the United States are declining at a rapid, unprecedented rate since 2006. Commercial beekeepers in the United States have reported honeybee colony loss rates averaging 30% each winter, startling when compared to historical loss rates of 10 to 15%.